Grute, Grute, Grute apa Grute?
Grute.
Grute.
Oh. Grute. Grute.
Jadi ini kita nih di pinggir tebing, bawahnya langsung laut. Aceh Jaya. Grute. Nah, itu melihat keindahan alam bawah laut. Suasana Grute. Grute men. Sana banyak apa tuh, kerapu, ziti.
Ada hitamnya kalau mereka. Maksudnya.
Belum. Nah, itu ada pulau, di tengah pulau itu ada seorang diri tinggal.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory, yeah. Don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring,
Punya Bang Didi itu. Ya, ada pemuda-pemudi yang lagi istirahat sejenak. Samping sini gunung batu, tapi dalamnya ada ini dia, ada emas paijo. Oke kawan, cantik sekali pemandangannya ini. Dra, kita casting di sini. Casting atau nguncal atau zigging, Mas Itok, Bang Najib, Indra Angler, Kang Roop, saya sebutin satu-satu, dan Bang Didi, Bang Bohen. Jangan lupa like and share and apa nih, kita di situ kayaknya banyak ikannya itu. Banyak ikannya. Itulah mobil. Yuzuri. Inilah suasana Grute. Siapa tahu ada yang kangen ke Grute Aceh Jaya. Kawan-kawan kita yang sudah pindah. Inilah suasana terkini Grute. Musiknya Iwan Fals. Sambil menikmati secangkir kopi dan susu. Nah, kita jangan sebutkan mereknya, nanti iklan ulang. Nah, kira-kira apalah ini. Oke kawan angler, itu tempat bagus mancing. Angler Kang Haji Roop, Bang Bois, Kang Taufik mancing kita nguncal di sini nih. Sepertinya banyak ziti. Indra angler, Indra aja terus, bosen Indra terus. Hamid Muklis, kita nyelam di sini nih. Di sini terhalang daun-daun. Kita ngopi santuy. Oke kawan. Wah, ada apa namanya nih? Siamang. Oh bukan siamang. Ini bro nih, bro. Bro, aduh ke sana lari bro. Mana bro? Aduh, pergi dah. Karena ada papakia pergi bro nya. Oke kawan, like and share kawan ya. Lanjut jalan. Grute Aceh Jaya. Kita mau lanjut jalan durian. Tapi aduh, harumnya ada pening. Grute. Melintas Grute. Harap pelan-pelan. Oh ini malah belok, istirahat sejenak. Kayak di Pangandaran tuh di Emplak ya, mengingatkan saya Emplak.